Y'all, so I saw this thing on Instagram where this couple, like, they went grocery shopping, and each couple, each one had to guesstimate how much the whole total of their order would be. So I want to, why would you do that? They have to guess how much the total is going to be, and whoever is closest to the total basically does not have to pay. Huh? IHOP mini pancake cereal. What?
Wendy's Frosties.
Yo, when?
Nutty Buddies.
When did you come out with all these? Cereal done came up.
Remember them? A long time ago.
Yeah.
I remember when them came out a long time ago.
Yeah, and they nasty as hell too. Y'all, if you ate the Oreo O's, you're nasty. Those things were gross.
They got fruity pebble marshmallows.
All right, babe, come on. I want you to guess how much all this is gonna be. Like, if you had to guess.
If I had to guess, I gotta put it on the thing and count it out. See, I could have did that if I was.
No, that's cheating. You gotta look at it like how it is now.
All right, that's $6. That's $5. That's 15.
You don't even know.
20. I do know. Watch this. 20. That's 30.
Let me get y'all a closer look so y'all can see.
65. 75.
I'm not even doing all that. I'm gonna say, no, I'm gonna let you say
95.
first.
This is $150 right here.
Okay, so 150 is yours.
Yep.
That's crazy because that was mine.
Right now.
I'm
gonna put nothing else in here.
Do we need the sesame oil?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say
160.
I'm gonna say
sesame oil.
I'm gonna say 170.
163.
No, see, why do we need sesame oil anyway?
Because I always need sesame oil.
Do we have to get it today?
No. 165. Come on. Still 170?
See, you can't keep changing yours.
What did I say at first?
150.
150.
No, because that's not right. I'm gonna say 170.
I'm gonna say 150.
All right, we gonna see y'all. We gotta get a bottle of champagne to celebrate something, y'all.
We're getting real bubbly today, y'all.
No, let's get this.
We're getting real
The
bubbly
Prosecco.
today, y'all.
So yeah, we're celebrating, y'all. I have not caught y'all up, but look.
170, babe.
My hands are ashy. I'm gonna give y'all like an official look later. But yeah, I'm engaged. So we're gonna get a bottle to celebrate. Should we get
170 now, okay?
You said 170?
Yeah, because it's $20 bottle.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, 190.
170.
I got 190.
I wonder if they have them little bit.
What are you looking for? Alright, so this is the total so far. And we still got all this left. You're talking about 150. Look, we still got all that left. And you talking about 150. Okay, is this gonna be before the MVP or after the MVP? After?
You want to take it right here?
Yeah, y'all. I said 170. I was right. No, forget the MVP. Oh, we're not getting this. Sorry. So I was right. I was right.
No, you wasn't. Because this is the final
The
price.
MVP don't count. Whoever was lost had to pay for all of it. Yeah, see, no. See?
I'm gonna let it
I said
Okay,
155.
look,
I
see?
said everything was going to be 155.
I was on the dot. Thank you. Y'all, I was right. He was wrong. Oh, yeah. Pull up. All right, y'all. So this is the aftermath. I wanted to get like a good before picture, but that did not happen. It turned out to be really cute though. Y'all, do your own balloon arches. I was talking to my cousin Kiera when she dropped the cake off, and I think she said like she paid somebody $150 for one arc, and you can literally get these off of Amazon for like $15. Like, save yourself the money, or you can get me to make them. But yeah, Charlie and I was like really thinking like we could possibly do this like as a business. I really enjoyed you know, putting everything together for her party and what about to do with all these balloons now. I was thinking about maybe putting those in Nimah's room, like above her bed. That would be cute. Just because I don't, they're too pretty to go to waste. They're too pretty. So yeah, I'm about to take a shower. I'm getting the kids washed up now, so I'm about to take a shower, and I will catch back up with y'all later because we got to catch up. We got so much to catch up on. So yeah, I will catch y'all after I get my shit together. All right, bye.
17, Josh Allen.
Nimah, look. I like your jersey.
It's actually too real.
A 6-play, 79-yard scoring drive with this 28-yard catch and run there from Jamar Chase. Just one of his 5 receptions.
Y'all, I just bought my first Mac. I cannot believe it. Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, I just bought my very first Mac product. I've only had an iPad and an iPhone, and that's pretty much it as far as like Apple. But today I went and purchased my very first laptop. I got the MacBook Pro. I got the bigger one, the 16-inch screen. Yeah, so I'm super, like, I don't know, I'm having mixed feelings. I don't know if any other moms out there just get this like, like this yucky feeling after spending money on yourself. Like, I'm just feeling kind of a smidge bit guilty for some reason. Like, I don't know, and I know that's all just stuff that, you know, I need to work out within myself, because I don't know, I just have this thing where I just don't feel like I deserve to spend money on myself. And yeah, that's kind of fucked up. Because, you know, I work really hard, and when I buy myself something, especially something as expensive as this, like, I keep telling myself in my head, like, girl, this is a whole like family vacation sitting in my passenger seat right now. But nonetheless, like, I'm really happy about it. I'm excited. I really got it because y'all know, like, I've been editing my videos on my phone, and honestly, it's just becoming harder and harder to do. And one of my goals this year is to stay consistent. So I'm like, I have to step up I got my laptop. And it's not like a really impulsive buy because I've been wanting it. But I had to go to the store because Marley had an iPad that got damaged, so I had to get it replaced. So I had to go to the store to pick up the new iPad for Marley, and I was just looking around, and I'm just like, girl, it's now or never. It is now or never. And I just went ahead with like the big boy, because if I'm gonna be spending all that money on a laptop, like, I might as well just get the, you know, the best option. So I do plan on going to some of the classes that Apple offers in store. They're completely free, and you just sign up for them online. So I'm definitely going to take advantage of that and take a few classes so I know how to work it. And I'm really excited to go on Amazon and get all the cute accessories for it. So yeah, I'm about to be really extra with my MacBook. So sorry in advance. I'm about to go get the boys from school right now. It's super early, but I might as well just go and just sit for a little bit. I have a video I need to finish up from Nimah's birthday, which is only like, well, it's 5 days past her birthday. So, you know, I hate editing old videos. Like, I want to stay, you know, somewhat current and up to date on this channel. So we'll see. Hopefully this is what's gonna motivate me. Y'all know I said the same thing about my camera, but hopefully this is what's gonna motivate me to stay consistent. So
keep left onto Church Street.
Yeah, because I don't know what else I would use a laptop for, honestly. Like, I've always wanted to be like a corporate baddie with my laptop out in public at the coffee shops, you know. But I'm a nurse. I'm just a clinician, so you know, I don't really have a need for a laptop other than YouTube. So I'm super excited. Let me show y'all. The thing is heavy too. Oh, okay. It might be a little bit too heavy. But I got the, I didn't get the space gray. I got like the lighter gray color. Okay, the light just turned. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home. But yes, this is a big step for me. So I just wanted to come up here and tell you guys. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. Sorry if y'all are a little bit crooked. This tripod is like janky as hell. Just janky. This is all right. Hey y'all, so I am back home now from going to the mall and picking the boys up from school. I'm about to just make like an early dinner tonight because why not? You know, it's 3:47 and I might as well just get started early. Plus y'all, I have not been cooking at all lately, like at all. We've been eating out like crazy and I have to be stopped, so yeah. Y'all, look who joined me. Look who decided to join me. So yeah, I'm supposed to be going to the gym today, but I don't know, y'all. This is my last night off before I work the whole weekend. I have been really consistent though. I went back to the gym. I don't know if I told y'all. I started back on the beginning of this month. And I have been making my twice a week goal since I started back. And I can still make that twice a week goal if I don't go today. I'll just have to go Saturday. I want to know where my ring is. It's getting sized. It was like a little bit too big, so they're having to size it. But, I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna do about the gym. I got like an hour. If I am going, I got like an hour before I have to leave. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. About to put this up. And then next I'm going to, well actually, I'm not gonna make anything because like I said, the macaroni and cheese is Stouffer's. Don't judge me. I'm making everything else by scratch but the macaroni and cheese just because I don't feel like it, okay? I know somebody out there is like, she just got engaged and she's feeding her man Stouffer's macaroni and cheese. Yes, I am. Yeah, he loves it here, okay? Finished cooking. I'm probably about to sit down and watch a little bit of YouTube, finish editing Nimah's birthday vlog, and try to get that posted ASAP. So, look at this, y'all. Look at this. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Oh, crazy. All right, so here she is. Nimah, do y'all see her in the fridge? Like, look at her. Do y'all see her? Get out the refrigerator, girl. Come on. Oh my gosh. We had locks on the refrigerator, but then it became kind of inconvenient for us to get in there. So we took them off, but I think we need to put them back on. Yeah. So here's my baby. I gotta name her. So I did not get the space gray. I got like the lighter color gray. Here she is. Oh, it's heavy. Y'all, my first Mac product. MacBook Pro. Like I said, I got the, this is a 16-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M2 Pro chip. Whatever that means. It's the 16 gigabyte and the 512 gigabyte SSD. I don't know what any of that means, but I got the bigger one. I know they have like a 16-inch and I think like either a 12 or 14-inch, but I did just go ahead and get the big baby. Just so it'll be easier. I figure like with a bigger screen, it'll be easier with my editing and stuff. So, huh? Where's the stickers? Oh no. Yeah, it's okay. I'm coming. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do like an official unboxing on TikTok. That's why I have not opened her yet. I'm gonna go on TikTok and look up all like the cute accessories. Go on Amazon, order me a case, a stand, like all the things. I'm super excited. More being happy for myself in 2023. No more talking myself out of being happy and proud of myself. I work hard, y'all. Okay, I work hard, and I have to remind myself that I deserve things, especially things that I have been wanting for a long time. This is not just like an impulsive buy. This is something that I actually need. So I have to keep reminding myself that. What do you? No, don't. No, ooh, she just ate some pancakes that were on the table from this morning. Nimah. All right, I gotta go, y'all. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Say good morning.
Good morning, Mommy. Mommy, where? Can you please? I want to watch YouTube too.
Who want jelly on their biscuit?
Not me. Me.
When I tell y'all, I barely got them kids to school on time. Not them kids, y'all know what I mean. Woo, y'all. It is 8:14. They had to be there by 8:15. So we had 1 minute to spare. And And it's really no excuse because we got up early and everything. Like, I had time to cook and everything. I think we got a little bit too comfortable. And before I knew it was like 8:50 and we're still in the house. So mothers of multiples, especially multiples that are under like 2 or 3, y'all know what I mean when I say like you have to leave an extra 10 minutes. Like, you have to account for putting the kids in the car. Like, that's a whole ordeal in itself. Not just getting them dressed, and getting them out the house. No, once you get them out the house, it's going to be another 10 minutes trying to get everybody in their seats, making sure everybody's buckled in, making sure everybody finds that one toy that they want to hold in the car. Like, it's just a whole ordeal. Who's going to sit next to who? So, yeah, I'm just happy that we got there on time. Yeah, happy Friday. I did post a vlog like 6 o'clock this morning, Nimah's birthday vlog, so that's live. If y'all haven't seen it, go watch it, please. I have the proposal in that video, so that's a really special video to me. So yeah, I will catch y'all maybe when we decide what we're gonna do. But for right now, I think I'm feeling Starbucks. Yeah. All right, talk to y'all later. But I got my coffee. I always get the blonde shaken espresso with the classic, and I always add 2 pumps of vanilla. But this morning I was just feeling like, let's switch it up a little bit, So instead, I got 2 pumps of the cinnamon dulce. So let's see how it tastes. Let's mix it up. It's really good. All right, Nimah, let's open your gifts. Come on, y'all. We're gonna open Nimah's gifts. Nimah, let's open your gifts. So I did not want anybody to think that we were ungrateful. I'm just really, I don't know, I'm weird. I had to kind of clean up the house before I opened up anything else. So we are about to open gifts now. And I really wanted to do it on camera, so that's another reason why I've been waiting. Nimah, you ready? Okay, hold on, wait. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go to work, so that's why I look like this. But come on, Nimah. So she opened up some of her stuff, like, Wendy actually got her this unicorn, which she loves. She's been playing with it ever since Saturday. So thank you, Wendy, for this. She got her that. Germanique got her this trampoline. Just because her cousin Riel has one at her house. And she really loves jumping on Riel's trampoline. So thank you, Germanique. Now Nimah has her own trampoline. So this came from her Uncle Seven. Uncle Seven, say thank you. She's going to love this. She's gonna love it. And these are from Jitaya. Come here, let's open them. Oh, it's Bluey. Place it. See, nobody said anything to y'all.
That's mine. That is for Bluey.
So, oh, thank you, Jitaya. She loves Bluey.
I don't need.
Oh, it's a purse kit. Look, Nimah.
That is nothing.
Goodbye, Shancy.
That's nothing.
Goodbye, Chance.
That's nothing.
I'm gonna try to do this quick, y'all. I know I'm not about to keep y'all up here forever.
Wait. Mommy?
Oh, thank you, Jitaya. Look at you, girl. It's a gift card to Target. It's a Alex and Ani. I want to say this is from I want to say this is from India. I want to say this is from India. You got some earrings. Look at how pretty these are. And it says gratitude, and it's got the green. Y'all know I love green. Also, this little shirt on. It's a little Puma shirt. I'm not opening that yet, baby. So these are from her Uncle Bubby. These little bands. Uncle Bubby. Some of the stuff doesn't have names, so if y'all are watching this, please let me know who got what, and thank you. Ooh, how cute! Yes, this is too cute. I love this. A little cover up. This is too cute. Carson Lee Smith and Auntie Nisha. Thank you, Nisha. That is too cute. Oh, you got some more clothes. You're too and terrific. Today is your day. This is from Antoinette and Renaya. Thank you, Antoinette and Renaya. She got some underwear. It's time, girl. It's time. Oh, y'all, look at this. Oh, you got some sunglasses. Oh, she got some clothes for the summertime. This is too cute. Thank you, Internet Renaya. We're gonna put this up. Oh, her grandmother got her this karaoke machine. It's got like the microphone and a speaker. Because Nimah is a little performer, y'all. She likes to sing. Oh, you got some more clothes. So cute. These pajamas. Mommy's bestie. And then this little Valentine's Day outfit, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. It's got the jacket and it comes with a pocketbook. How cute. That is too cute. We have this Casa Madrid it's another bouncy house. Ooh. You got a musical train set? Oh, you got a cleaning set? You gonna be cleaning? Oh gosh, y'all, look at this. A beauty stylist. That is too cute.
Mommy.
Who got it? I don't see any cards, y'all. Okay. Oh, Nimah! It's a cool. Oh, I like that, Nimah.
Baby.
Baby. Aw, you got another baby. You got a backpack. Let me see it. Oh, you got some cards. Come on, Nimah. Ooh. Hey, hey.
Daddy.
You got a doggy? Nimah, you got your own doggy.
Uh-oh.
This is too cute. Aww. Okay, I know who got her this. Her grandmother got her this. Look, it's got the donut. Grandmommy got you this. Here, let's do the other one. Ooh, girl, you got some food? Y'all, her aunt Najee made her this. So she made it out of a broomstick. And I guess she used 2 bowls. Hold on, Nima, let me show them real quick. And she put like all these.
She got candy.
It's like snacks and stuff inside. Can y'all see it? But how cute is this? I told Najee, like, you need to sell these. People would definitely buy it. And it looks like a lollipop. Oh, those are nice.
What's wrong, Chance? I said
Too cute. She got it. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this.
You now.
Cute water bottle. This little cute uniform. Uniform. Think about what? Uniform. I hate I didn't open these at the party because then I could have seen who it all came from. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, and her dad. Her dad got her this trampoline. So that's all for the gifts. Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much. Let me put everything up before everything gets open. So I gotta get ready for work. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Bye. Hey y'all, good morning. It is Saturday the 28th. Just getting off of work. I am so tired. So tired, y'all. I have not stopped since Nimah's party. I'm at Target here because I have to go to the gym at 9. It's 7:53, so I'm gonna go in Target and just get me probably just some leggings. Oh wow.
Some of y'all can tap out on this. So all the way down tap. So if your team is going first, when she done with this, the whole team will be rotating. We're going 3 rounds. So the team that finish first wins. 3 rounds. No, 3 rounds. So we got sled, fire, kettlebell swing. On this box right here, we're going side to side. Step, step, step. Right here, we're going to platform. We'll keep it simple right here. So sled, bike, kettlebell swing, side to side. Platform, sled.
Wait. So it go by, but they got one extra person. I'll say I'll give it 7. But the first one picked the first one I said.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the horns. Let's get it. Come on, Stella. Ready. And we going straight to alternate all the way up to the back, all the way off the ground. We're doing 3 sets of this. 3 sets. Ready, go the kids, go, come on. Let's get it.
Trying to get our billions on. Nobody instead of being somebody that makes a noise so everybody can tweet about it.
3, 2, 1. Bicycles, let's get it. Come on, bicycles, bicycles.
Oh, you gotta love it. Yeah. And on top of that, it's getting harder to eat. Rappers down renting houses, putting cars on the lease. The big labels say they have a problem marketing me. But that's everybody else is getting harder to eat. But man, oh, you gotta love it. Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1. I guess the last one, y'all. This is the last one. Y'all gonna be good or great? Alright, this is the last one, y'all. Right here. Mouth climbers. Then we're going straight to hip dips. 32 seconds, 30 seconds each, and we done, I promise. 2 minutes. You got people outside. Let's do 2 minutes. Ready? Come on, y'all. Let's get it. Ready? Mount climbers. Let's get it. Go. Come on, y'all. Let's get it.
All I know, if I die, I'm a motherfucking legend. It's too late for my city.
All right, y'all. So all right, so I'm just leaving the gym. I just got back home. I'm so glad I went because I was not about to go, but today was like a really, really good workout. So I just wanted to show y'all what I got from Target earlier real quick. So it wasn't a lot because I was kind of pressed for time. So I did end up getting this face and body ice roller. I've seen other girls on YouTube and Instagram use it. And you basically just put it in the dryer and this part right here freezes and you just roll it on your face. It's supposed to have some benefits like it promotes a more youthful and glowing complexion. It brightens and reduces puffiness under the eyes and it minimizes pores. I also got y'all know I love the holidays and whatnot, so they had these pot handles or pot holders. One is shaped like a heart and the other one has hearts on it, and I thought that was really cute. Do y'all see? I want to show y'all my front door, but my address is showing. We have like a little, you know, a little Valentine's Day set up on our front porch. And just a FYI, y'all, Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday. Always has been. Even before I got a man, okay? It's not because I got a man. I've always loved Valentine's Day. I just love love. I love love. Some of these little LED lights. They got the little Disney princesses on it. I got the boys some with Spider-Man. And I also got, y'all, they had the cutest books for Black History Month, and y'all know I had to get them. So and I'm gonna have to go back and get more. I'm gonna actually get Marley to read these. This one's Harriet Tubman and Jackie Robinson. So cool, and they were only 99 cents each. Let me show y'all the inside. Like, it has like facts. It says a decade escape. No, a daring escape. I'm sorry, I'm trying to read backwards. So it just has like pictures in here for them to see, maps. You know, it's just more visual for like your young readers. So I thought that was really dope and informative. So I'm gonna go back and get more. And then this book right here, I had to get this. I'm actually probably gonna like hang this up in Marley's room. But only $5, y'all. This was all in the bullseye section. So they have this book right here on Barack Obama, President of the United States, period. So it just has like information here about when he was a senator. So these are really nice books because they are very like they have a lot of pictures in them, you know, for kids who are visual learners, which I think all kids are. So yeah, I love that. And then it has like, you know, it's just very informative. So I'm I'm gonna put these in Marley's room and get him to. Got another pair of those black asset leggings, like the shaping leggings, to work out in. Cause I was gonna go get like the fitness leggings, but I was like, if I'm gonna spend $30 on leggings, like I'm gonna get some that I can wear outside the gym too. So I picked these up in a size large. This is my third pair, y'all. If y'all don't have a pair of these asset leggings from Target, I don't know what to tell you by now. I don't know what to tell you. I believe that is it, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna end the vlog here. I posted Nimah's birthday vlog yesterday, and I'll probably have another vlog ready by like early next week, just because I started vlogging right after her birthday. So I'm kind of getting to like a little rhythm, a little bit. So I'm gonna just try to keep up the content for you guys. Thank you so much for watching as always. And let me tell y'all something about what I've noticed since I started this YouTube channel. A lot of times, like, the people who are really gonna show up and support you are people that you don't know. Like, I am perfectly okay with my target audience not being people who I thought it would be. I think my target audience are people that I have yet to meet, and that's okay, you know. That's neither here nor there. Thank y'all. Thank you to whoever's watching this. I really, 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 really appreciate it. Y'all, please leave me a comment. Leave me a like. I know I'll be like, oh, like, I'm not trying to do YouTube for real, but it's still encouraging, you know. It's still encouraging, and I really appreciate y'all that do that. So on that note, I love y'all. Hopefully I'll have this video up by Monday. And I hope y'all have a great weekend. And yeah, talk to y'all soon. Bye.